Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this really cool LED palm tree shaped light that I just bought and it just came in today. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So I just opened it up and as you guys can see it comes in two parts and the whole thing is actually operated by 3 AA batteries, which is not that convenient. So I made another video where I show you how to convert a battery operated device into an AC powered device, and I'll leave that in the description for you. So now I'm just putting the batteries in, and when we turn this thing on it's gonna be really cool. So here's how it looks turned on, and I think it's really cool. You can put it on your desk, in your room, anywhere, and I actually bought this from SignsTrade.com, and if you use our code INFOTECH15 you can get a 15% discount on your purchase. It comes in many different shapes and you can buy whichever one you like. So please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you can see each and every video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.